If you're serious about lifting heavy gear in your garage, shop, or outbuilding, the ANBULL 2200-pound electric chain hoist might just be your new best friend. Straight out of the box, this thing feels like a tank. It's solid, heavy duty, and clearly built for more than just weekend projects. Setup is straightforward. Just unbox the unit. You'll find the hoist with pre-installed dual chains, a couple beefy manganese steel hooks with 360-degree rotation, and an over 4.5 foot long remote control with an emergency stop button. To install the bag, you'll just remove the pins here, line it up with the openings, and then screw it back in. I'm using the WorkPro Allen wrench keys, and those things are awesome. So if you need a set of Allen wrenches, I highly recommend those as a side note. But in any event, setup for this thing is completely easy. You can put the chain in now or wait until you hang it up. Either way, that's ready to go. All you're going to need is a secure mounting point. So whether that's a steel I-beam or a properly rated chain. I've even heard of people hooking this up to a large tree branch and working on their outdoor machinery. Quite versatile, and frankly, I'd even call it portable, because all you really need is an outlet and somewhere to hang it. But on that note, mounting is really simple because of the oversized top hook. It just slips easily into a shackle or a lifting eye. Just make sure your anchor point is rated well above 2,200 pounds. Obviously, you'll want to clip on the anti-strain device here. This is to prevent the cord from pulling or yanking unnecessarily. And then there's this little notch here in the male end of the plug, and you're going to line that up with the female end of the plug on the actual hoist. After that, you can lift the safety bar here and plug in the cord. This is going to go into that 110 outlet, and the 1300 watt motor is ready to go. The chain that it comes with offers a 10-foot lift height, and that chain sits in this nice durable bag neatly here. Never gets tangled, moves freely and nicely, and when you feel this thing, you can really appreciate the quality. It's obviously, the chain is heavy, so it has to be able to hold that really well. So very nice basket, very nice bag here for that. The control pendant gives you precise up and down operation from a safe distance, and the integrated brake system locks the load instantly when you let go. No creep, no slip. It lifts at about 10 feet per minute, which is frankly perfect for safely raising engines, transmissions, welders, or even heavy woodworking tools onto benches or storage racks. Over time, the key to keeping this beast in top shape, though, is maintenance. Keep the lifting chain clean and lightly lubricated, especially if you're using it in a dusty or outdoor environment. Check the hooks and latches for any signs of wear or deformation. And most importantly, inspect the carbon brushes in the motor periodically. These small replaceable components wear down with use, and swapping them out when needed ensures you get long life and consistent power from the hoist. It comes with 2 of them in the hoist, as well as 2 extras. The extras are taped inside of a side slot in the foam packaging, so be sure to retrieve those before throwing anything out. I also have another video on how to change the carbon brushes in this, so check that out as well. At the end of the day, this hoist is a game changer for anyone dealing with heavy lifting on a regular basis, performs like a champ, and saves your back from doing the hard work. If you want to upgrade your garage with serious lifting power without spending a lot of industrial money, give this ANBULL a shot. I really don't think you're going to be disappointed. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. I certainly hope this was helpful, and have a great day.